This model kit review is of the P-39N. It's the Airacobra, and this is the Russian version. It flew over Germany in 1945. This is by Eduard, and it is the weekend edition in 1/48 scale. So this means that this is slightly less complicated. Let's have a look over here. Here are the colors needed. And here is our painting guide, as well as showing the decals. Let's have a look and see what's inside. This one's actually already been started. As you can see here, our wheel wells are very nicely molded. We have our air exhausts here. Looks like our landing gear have been started as well. Look at the wings here, very nicely molded. This is typical Eduard quality. All recessed panel lines and rivet lines with lots of nice detail. Over here we have our clear glass, also very nicely molded. And these parts have already been taken off their screws, so we'll have a look at them. Here is our pilot figure. Also lots of nice details. He does have a few mold lines, but not too bad. That cockpit has a lot of detail. You can see here the wing formers, the seat, even the floor, the radio. Looking over here, we have some detail on the inside. The outside has a lot of surface detail, and it's very well molded. No mold lines here, no flashing. Really, this is an excellent quality model. And the same with the other side. Looks like we have some of our levers already installed. And just very, very, very well made mold, producing an excellent model. Here is our propeller and spinner. We have a bomb here. Needs a bit of sanding down. We have exhausts. Need some drilling for the holes. We have a fuel tank. And we have some wheels. Looks like a whole bunch of different wheels. And then here is our instrument panel and foot pedals. Lots of detail there. Let's have a look at the rest of these sprues. Looks like there's several options for wheels as well as propellers. We do still have a few pieces still on the sprues here. Landing gear, wheel well covers, and so on. Looking at this one here, this looks like the very bomb rack there. Our stabilizer and elevator. We have some other options for our exhaust, and then the nose as well, depending on whether you want to have guns or cannons and so on. Let's have a look at our decals. These are very nicely printed, good quality, lots and lots of little details here. This is going to make for an excellent model. And let's have a look at our instructions. There we go. So first of all, we see the parts listing. As you can see, there's a lot of parts that we're not going to use, and you can use those in other models. The colors needed. And then starting off with the cockpit. This has already been done. Next we have then the assembly of the fuselage with the cockpit in there, wings going on. This part's already been done as well with the for the airflow, wheels, landing gear, the central fuel tank and bomb, and nose gear, wheel well covers, and then the final assembly of the cockpit with the doors, exhausts, and propeller, guns, and so on. Here's our decal guide. As you can see, there are a lot of decals, and painting guide as well. So that's an excellent quality model. And there's some other options if you want to get them. There's the mask guide, and then our standard photo etched parts. So really a good quality model.